What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how we can create a multi-boot Windows USB installer. Now if you're looking to do this, you can use tools like Yumi multi-boot USB creator. This is a pretty easy way to do it, but there is quite a few other ways you can go about doing it. But in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Yumi way of doing things. So once you've downloaded that, it's a free tool to download. You're going to need to get your ISO images, and I've got a few here that I can use. Okay, so what we're going to do here is fire up Yumi, say I agree, and now we can show all drives. Make sure you've got the right drive selected. Now I'm going to be using this H drive, which is here. There's nothing on it. So as you can see here, what we're going to do, it's going to put the tick in this one here in the format, and I'm going to drop down and select an ISO image. Now right down at the bottom there is some Windows installers that you can use. See, so I'm going to be doing the Windows 10 installer here. Now I need to browse to the ISO, and I've got the Windows 10 anniversary update one here. I'm going to select that, and it should go green, and that means it's ready to install. Next, I'm going to click create. You'll get this warning box popping up telling you that everything on that drive is going to be formatted, and it's going to give you stages 1, 2, 3 and 4 of what's going to happen, the process. Okay, so we just say yes, and then it's going to start to copy all that stuff across, as you can see. Now this does take a fair bit of time, about 3 odd minutes per ISO. It just depends how fast your computer is and what speed your USB flash drive is. So I'll probably speed this process up and get to the next stage. So as you can see, that's coming to the end of the first ISO, and you can see that's took about 3 minutes and so. So depends how fast your computer is, but that first ISO is now being put across, and that is our Windows 10 one. Next, you'll get this pop-up box, and it will say, would you like to add more ISOs, distros now? And you can say either yes or no. If you're finished, you can click finished, but we're going to say yes, and we're going to add some more on here. So we don't need to format this time because we've got our files already across. So we need to go to number 2 here and select another Windows ISO, and we're going to be doing Windows 7 or Windows 8. Do Windows 8. Doesn't really matter, and you can see here we've got it all lit up green. Push create, and that will then copy all those files across, and I'll leave this to go to the end, and then I'll come back when that is complete. And as you can see, this one's nearly complete now. Depends on the size of them as well. As you can see here, it took about 4 minutes to do Windows 8. So we'll just let this finish off, and then we'll move on to Windows 7. And then once we've done that, we can put on a couple of extra bits, and I'll just show you what it looks like afterwards, but it's pretty straightforward and easy to do. That part is nearly complete, and all we need to do is just keep adding them. So we're going to go next. I'm going to say yes, I'd like to add some more, and we're going to select another Windows ISO. I'm going to do the same thing. This time we're going to do Windows 7 Service Pack 1, and we'll just let that copy across, and I'll come back when this is copied across. So as you can see, that's nearly complete now, and if we look at the drive, you can see it's filling up just nicely, and we have all our ISOs in there. Now I could add some more stuff on, and if I wanted to, I could actually, I'll just add one more in for you here. So I'm going to say yes here, and we're going to add something else in. And now at the bottom here you will see unlisted bootable ISOs, and this is where you can add in your via SysLinux or via Grub, depending on what you want to do here. So if you did want to do that, you can do, but if you wanted to finish off here, you could just finish off, and that will be that. But I'll quickly just show you the try an unlisted ISO here, and to do that you would just go into the, say, Grub, and then you could choose whatever you wanted to do. So for instance, spin right, I could add in there, and this would be very quick. Then I could do one more, say, and we could go down the bottom and add in there, let's see, hard drive regenerator, say, and that's pretty much that. And if we want to say that's it, we can finish this off by saying no, we're finished, and that is complete. Now to see this, I'll just quickly open up rmprep USB and then make sure the drive is selected at the top, which it should be, and I can now test this drive. And I'll just let this load up. And there we have our menu. And of course, you can come down here, grab bootable ISOs and Windows. You can see here, just push this, and there now we can see our Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. And of course, you could rename your ISOs and stuff to sort that out if you wanted to, spin right and so on here. But pretty much if you push these, they will load up. I can't show you the Windows ones because obviously it doesn't work like that, but there you go. That's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope that one helps you out, guys. My name is Brian from briartechcomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, guys, then hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date when I upload new videos. Also, if you've got any video requests or problems with your computers, remember the forums is over there. And also, if you haven't joined my Facebook fan page, then pop over there and give us a little like up over there. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for your continued support. Bye for now.